हाय भगवान।
प्लीज थोड़ा प्रेशर कम करो। थोड़े दिन रेपुटेशन बनती फिर बिगाड़ लेते हो। प्लीज बैठिए।
List out the things that we have done for Bengal. Kindly. AIIMS in Kalyani inaugurated in West Bengal in February 2024. Railways. So let me. You asked me, and I'm reading out the whole list. After I finish, sir. Railways, sir. West Bengal received a record allocation of 13,955 crores for rail infrastructure, railway infrastructure. 1,293 kilometers of new railway tracks constructed since 2014. West Bengal. 9 Vande Bharat trains operationalized for West Bengal. 101 railway stations being redeveloped under Amrit Bharat scheme for Bengal. Indian Railways first Gati Shakti cargo terminal commissioned in Asansol division. In June 2024, Union Cabinet approved Jamshedpur to Purulia Asansol third line. Sir, if this is for railways, we'll go to metro. 38-kilometer metro line constructed since 2014 at a cost of 23,050 crore for Bengal. Roadways, over 2,309 kilometers of national highway constructed in West Bengal since 2014. In August 2024, the CCEA approved 4-lane Kharagpur-Moregram National High Speed Corridor, 231 kilometers at a capital total cost of 10,247 crore, West Bengal. Airways. In August 2024, the CCA approved the development of new civil enclave at Bagdogra Airport, Siliguri, West Bengal, at an estimated cost of 1,549 crores. Operationalization of Durgapur in 2019, Kuch Bihar in 2023 airports under the RCS Udan scheme. Revamping of Bagdogra and Barakpur airfields at a cost of 500 crore, West Bengal. Social infrastructure and efforts for West Bengal in that direction. 38 lakh houses built for the poor under PM Awas. 93 lakh tap water connection provided on Jal Jeevan Mission, West Bengal. 83 lakh household toilets built under Swachh Bharat Mission, West Bengal. 494 Jan Aushadhi Kendras operationalized in West Bengal. 5.3 crore Jan Dhan accounts opened, West Bengal. 5 crore Mudra accounts sanctioned for West Bengal. I want them to be a bit more patient. I have more things to say about West Bengal. I have more things. I'll come to you. मैं आ रही हूँ. UP में आ रही हूँ. Please wait. I have more things to say about Bengal. I have more things to say for Bengal. Kindly please be waiting. Bengal, sir. आ रही हूँ. UP को आ रही हूँ. Bengal. They should be patient. I have more things. Sir. I was listening to the speaker from Bengal, sir. He said Bengal Virodi budget. I want to address that, sir. Sir, Bengal MPs, sir, spoke about financial blockade. हाँ,
यूपी आएगा।
मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए, मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए, मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए। हाँ जी, sir, financial blockade. They charged us with financial blockade allegations. Like every other state, sir, PM Awas Yojana Gramin is being implemented in West Bengal since 2016-17. The government has released 25,798 crore as central share to the state since 2016-17. 25,798 crore, only central share. It's gone. However, complaints of irregularities, I will give you. Complaints of irregularities in the implementation of PM Awas Yojana Gramin, including a selection of ineligible households from Awas 2018 Awas Plus, removal of eligible households, and branding violations were received.
We are hearing this allegation for last 3 years.
There have been similar complaints about Mandrega. Ministry Rural Development is engaging with West Bengal and for a satisfactory reply. Sir, now I come to the specific data. It's ironical that Trinamool, which means grassroots, grassroots, Congress that prides itself on being rooted in the grassroots now symbolizes harassment and denial of rights to the common people in the grassroots. I'll give you examples for that, sir. 25 lakh fake job cards in Mandrega. Funds meant for people at the grassroots have been looted by the carders. 100 crore midday meal fraud. 100 crore midday meal fraud. Racial mafia thriving in the state on grassroots level. Ayushman Bharat was blocked and denied health care the poor living in the grassroots. 43% tap water coverage in Bengal as opposed to 74% national average. 74% national average, Bengal is at 43%. That's the average. Sir, important. Capital formation crashed from 6.7% in 2010 to 2.9% in the recent years. No jobs, no factories, no vision. That's Bengal for you, sir. Industrial powerhouse, Bengal was industrial powerhouse. 24% share when in 1947, during independence, Bengal had 24% share in manufacturing. Today it has 3.5%. Bengal's per capita income growth lags behind the national average. For the last 20 years, per capita income of Bengal lags behind the national average for last 20 years. It's ranked 23rd. In 21-22, it was 23rd among all states of India. Sir, Trinamool Congress has institutionalized corruption, gutted institutions, and Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation. Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation, sir. Now, can I then suggest, because budget, Bengal विरोधी budget बोला गया, मैं क्या पूछना चाहती हूँ अभी, तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी हो गया है क्या? तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी है, तृणमूल जनता विरोधी है. questions and you may ask me again. But if I'm telling you anything that which is not already available with you, I'll be ready to answer. But it is there. What proof है budget document by? Ay, Bhagwan.
ये document
Budget document है by. Yes.
प्लीज थोड़ा प्रेशर कम करो.
Sir,
थोड़े
since-
दिन रेपुटेशन बनती फिर बिगाड़ लेते हो. प्लीज बैठिए.
I'm biased towards.
नो
Please,
माननीय
it's all
मंत्री जी
right.
प्लीज नो डिबेट प्लीज.